My name is Kenyon Curtis with AmeriFirst Financial. Talking now a little bit about reserve funds and saving money in order to qualify for a loan. One of the parts of qualifying for a loan is how much money do you have in the bank. A lot of loans will have certain requirements. For example, if you are buying an investment property that you're going to rent out, you need to have 6 months worth of the payment for that investment property and for your home. So if your personal property is a payment of $1,500 a month and your rental property is $1,000 a month, so you've got to have 6 times $2,500 in the bank after any down payment closing costs come out in order to qualify for that loan. So reserves are very important. Now on the smaller side of it, just buying a house for yourself personally, like with an FHA loan or a USDA loan or even some of the conventional loans that are out there, there's not a specific reserve requirement, but the more you have in the bank or in a 401k, money that could be accessible to you if there was an emergency, basically the more money you have in there, the better. If you have no money, like for an FHA loan or a USDA loan, a lot of times we qualify people just fine with 0 money in the bank, maybe $50 or $100 in savings, and we qualify and we close their loans just fine. But let's say that there's an issue on your credit report, like an old collection or some other thing that's just kind of haunting you. Money in the bank will ease an underwriter's concerns to say, hey, you know what, they've had some problems in the past, but they have established an ability to save money, put away a little bit, even if it's just a couple $1,000s, makes a huge difference when we go to qualify you. In fact, sometimes we'll look at a file, and if it's a little weak, let's say the score is just barely where we need it. You know, they've got collections, but they're medical collections. Maybe they don't quite have 2 years on the job. Different little things that make a file what we call a weak file. Money in the bank helps boost that file up so underwriters will approve it.